Hello everyone, this is Bing Naranjo, also known as Bingodesigns. Here's another simple tutorial for you about making 2D game character using only few basic shapes. So please stay with me until the end so I can show you. So without further ado, let's get started. I already make the shapes available because I think we can do it fast if we just grab the shapes and duplicate if we have to. Now grab the shape and put it in the middle. Grab again the black circle and resize. Let's make his glasses. Now duplicate the rectangle, hit the Ctrl+D in your keyboard. Duplicate again the rectangle and make it smaller, then rotate a bit. And go to Object, Clip. Now duplicate and put it in the other side and grab another shape and make it smaller and put it in the middle. This will be the bridge of the glasses. Select the glasses and hit the Ctrl+G to group them. Grab another shape, this will be the nose. Now click the rotate icon to rotate 90 degrees. Select the glasses and the nose and align them. While the nose is selected, arrange and send it back. Hit the little down arrow icon, click it several times until it will go behind the glasses. Now time to make the eyebrows. Duplicate the shape and put it in the other side. Duplicate the circle again, let's make his ears. Drag a shape, let's cut some part of it. Then go to Path, Difference. Hit Ctrl+D to duplicate for the ear highlight. And change the color, make it more darker. Then hit Ctrl+G to group them. Let's make the beard and the mouth. By now, I guess you know already what to do. Duplicate the circle, this time 3 times and change the color. It doesn't matter what color for now, we will change it later. And make it bigger. Now go to Path, Difference. Let's apply stroke. Let's make the thickness like 9 or 10. This will serve as his lips. Align the mouth and the beard. Then hit the Ctrl+G to group them. Now put the beard behind the nose by clicking the down arrow. Now we are finished the head part. This time let's make the body part. Now change the color, but first select every part of the head and hit Ctrl+G to group them. Position the body behind the head and click Align. Now for the upper arm, duplicate rectangle. Get your direct selection tool and make it rounded. Get your dropper tool, copy the color of the body, but this time make it lighter, so there will be variation between the arm and the body. Duplicate 2 times. Now, grab a shape. Let's cut it in half. Go to Path Difference and change the color. Grab another shape, resize, and duplicate. Select the lower arm, align in the center, and group them. Now, rotate it like this. Duplicate again. This time the other arm should be more darker. Arrange it behind the body. Use the down arrow tool. Now, time to make the lower part of the body. Guys, I assume that you know already what to do. I'm going to shut my mouth because the process is all the same. All you have to do is copy what I'm doing. By the way guys, I have more video tutorial if you want. I put the link in the description. Hey guys, we're almost done. Please hang on. Let's just make a little details and we're finished. And don't forget to help me out by subscribing and like my video. That would be very much appreciated. That's all for today, guys. Please leave a comment if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye for now, and thank you for watching.